In this video, we will show you how to change the cabin air filter on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the passenger door to give you easier access to the cabin air filter, located behind the glove box. To access your filter, you will need to remove the glove box. Press on each side of the glove box to release the tabs from their slots. Then remove the glove box. You now have access to the cover of the cabin air filter flange. Remove it by pressing on the plastic tab. Take out the cabin air filter. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the cabin air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. Pay attention to the direction of airflow. The arrows on the filter should point down. Place the filter in its slot. Put the cover back in place, making sure the pin is correctly positioned in its slot. Put the glove box back in place and close it until the tabs lock. Operation complete.